Well, friends, now the easy part's mostly done. We're pretty well cleaned up here. Little update on the old lathe. I found out on this base where the hydraulic oil has been spilling, the paint is pretty much scrapes right off with a putty knife. So I'll be able to put a primer on that and repaint that. But I've been kind of putting off the inevitable for a while. And this is not going to be a walk in the park, this whole thing. I've got to check all of these systems as thoroughly as I can, because the last thing I want to do is get this thing up and humming and then have some gear fly out and the whole thing blow up. Case in point here with the hydraulic side of the machine, well, it's all hydraulic, but we have a hydraulic motor here. And I think I've shown you all these funky welds in here. I mean, it's just obvious to me. Look at that. I mean, I'm pretty sure that me with no welding experience could weld better than that just because I would try harder. But apparently something went down. That's the motor that turns all these live centers. And and then it must have, this is a crankcase. I just drained out 5 gallons or so of crankcase oil. Not sure what kind of oil, but it must have blown this side off of there, because this is all makeshift. Looks like 1/8 or 3/16 inch aluminum and, you know, silicone. And here they even where is it? There, they even drilled a hole and missed, and now I've got a hole on the side of this reservoir. Yeah, great. But it's just these kinds of things that I want to get them addressed now. I don't want to blow every hydraulic line that is, you know, like where is it? Like those guys down there. There's about 5 or 6, but those are going to get replaced. We're not screwing around with this. And I've got a surprise coming probably sometime this next week. I'm really excited. So I just felt like I'm going to be taking off to my cabinet job for some install here fairly soon, but I just felt like now is the time. I'm going to open up this crankcase and see what we got. This silicone crap makes me want to do a better job. So I'm going to take all these screws out and get a putty knife in there and take this crankcase off, and I'll meet you there. Well, it's kind of like you asked for it, you got it, Toyota. But good news. I couldn't imagine it being full of oil and busted, but it's always a possibility. Yeah, I would think that there was about 1 gallon left in the bottom. The old drain plug is up a little too high, but there's a hole in the panel that has to be where it is. So anyway, got some oil. I gotta go get some more absorbent. Fortunately, I had some cat litter around, but this is awesome. We've got our ins and outs of our 2-stage hydraulic motor, which I will examine all of this stuff. I've also got to go get some brake fluid. I hate using brake fluid to clean stuff because it just smells awful. But everything looks pretty darn good. So let's take a look. So I'm going to clean this all up nice and spanky clean in here. And I will probably, at the very least, I will probably have this tigged with this smaller piece. I don't understand why they did it that way, other than maybe that's all they had. Why they couldn't go buy some aluminum for a repair such as this, I don't know. But I might have a new piece made. And then I'm gonna sand this and have one of my friends come by and put some more welds on top of that and make that look better. I see some stuff up there that I don't like. I think my 13-year-old nephew could do a better job of welding than this. But all in all, really good news. I think this oil is really, really dirty. It's pretty gross. Yeah, so gotta go get some more oil absorbent and start the process of getting cleaned up again on this thing. I think I should have bought like 3 more cans of this. Oh, that's nasty. Look at that crud. Cedar and oil and bleh. Really liking seeing this. I really would like to get my flashlight in there though. Boy, oh, it's really nice to see this. It looks like all the teeth are in good shape. I just really want to get back there and see what's what there. Looks like these are all different than this. So this must have been where the repair was. This is some sort of freaking lock washer that isn't on the rest of them. I'll give it a shot. See, I need to put this in a spot where it's not going to get screwed up here. I may have to go get some more of this. Ow. We're running out. We've got the other end off as well. This end over here is mostly hydraulic solenoids and switching and routing for hydraulics. And there's I guess that's a transformer to bump the voltage down for these guys to operate with. That would be my guess. I removed some of this. I thought it was metal, but it's actually plastic conduit. All I can find right now is some plastic split conduit. It'll be about all you can say is it'll be better than this stuff that's on there. So slowly but surely. But I mean, these systems, I'm not going to start this thing up without checking all the systems. We'll try to have as much known about this machine as possible. We're cleaned up. Oh, friends, what a day it's been. Here and there and everywhere, but one last little look. We got the brake cleaner on it, the reservoir, and I've gone over these gears once. I'll go over them again. But so far, it turns great, free and clear, real nice. We don't have any, there was no metal in the bottom of this, which is good. Just a bunch of nasty oil. I'm gonna need to figure out some sort of gasket scenario for this, because slopping a bunch of silicone on this is just not an option. So I think it's a win for today. Yeah, I think we're looking pretty good. Oops. So tomorrow's another day. Got a good amount of work on the cabinets for the library that I'm building. So I don't know how much I'll be able to get to this tomorrow, but I think we've done some good work for the week so far. Hump day. I hope everybody had a great day. Again, like I said, thank you so much. Welcome to the new subscribers. I really thank everybody. Everybody has just shown so much interest, and it really helps with the morale around this place, since it's just me. But actually now I can say it's not just me, it's us. So everybody take care of themselves, and I've got more on the way. Talk to you soon.